The FLAGGL Conference with Ninel Struzska. Ninel is an old friend of mine and the Senior SBA Credit Officer, SVP at Citizens Bank in Boston. And Ninel, how's the conference going so far?
It's great. Actually, a lot of great people and a lot of sharing of a lot of excitement between us. We talk about similar topics. We share stories from last year PPP program, and we also look forward to the future of the industry, looking for new talent, looking for training program, sharing a lot of similar ideas of how to attract young people to the industry.
We just got out of a session talking about that. So, I spent a lot of time on the roadshow talking to people about the last year and a half. We'll kind of start looking forward to the next year and a half. So, first question, what about your business or business in your world is changed, maybe permanently changed since COVID? From 2 years ago, what's different now that you think is going to stay different moving forward?
I think very important in SBA banking that majority of us started to work remotely, which create problems of training people and engaging people in process. So we have to learn how to do this, how to run this module effectively, maybe attract training programs which allow to coach people remotely without maybe involvement 100% of management. Something to talk to technology, new technology, which allow us to leverage the best learning methods which already exist out there in the industry. Another thing which is important for industry from my perspective, that there will be way more interest in SBA lending than it was traditionally before. People experience benefits of PPP loan, and people, I think, experience leadership of SBA administration in general. So they will be turning to SBA, seeing what advantages of lending money guaranteed by government. Is it longer terms? Is it better amortization? Is it lesser equity requirements? So there will be more interest there, and industry need to meet this demand. And third very important thing is digitalization. We're all running into a world which is different from one we had 5 years ago. A new tech, new technology coming to our life. We need to learn how to leverage and maybe empower SBA lending by adopting those technologies.
Lots changed in a really short period of time. I think you're right too. We haven't talked much about it, but the fact that the industry has such a spotlight on it from PPP that there's an opportunity for the industry to really accelerate growth and how many people it helps. So I think that's a great point. Second question is, what's kind of, we know what's behind, what's next, for you in the life of your program? What are you excited about that's on the horizon and maybe in the next year or so for you?
I don't think it's much of new, right? It's same excitement which I carry with me for my last 12 years in SBA career, helping more businesses in getting them the best possible product within best possible structure for them. It's not just lending money to make money. It's lending money to help American economy to strive. So this is the idea, and this is what I'm looking forward to.
Ninel, thank you for joining. Thank you for being here at the conference, and it's been really fun to catch up.
Thank you, Thanks.